Welcome to NovoEd, a collaborative online learning platform that empowers organizations to design and deliver experiential learning that accelerates business performance on a global scale. On NovoEd, learners develop high-value capabilities through purposeful practice and application, coaching and mentorship, and group collaboration. Today, I will walk you through our learner experience. Let me introduce you to Leah, one of the employees at NewCo. NewCo is a large global company undergoing significant change. As of recently, employees have been asked to work remotely. To maintain training programs that are imperative to critical skill building, business growth, and continuity, NewCo has transitioned in-person training to an online learning experience. Their leadership development program is one such example. Leah is a newly promoted manager, and she's been assigned training on leading virtual teams. This training used to be a 2-day in-person workshop, but it has since been moved online to the NovoEd platform with 50 to 60 participants over a 6-week period. It requires 2 to 3 hours per week, which participants are able to accomplish alongside their day-to-day work. Leah looks at her learner dashboard and sees the Leading Virtual Teams program. On the left, she sees her messages and notifications. Below that, Leah sees shortcuts to her learning programs and teams. She has 15 minutes free and decides to go to her Leading Virtual Teams program to make some progress. On the right side, Leah notices a feed of people who are active in the program and discussions that are trending. Leah sees her progress bar. It shows that she is just getting started towards earning 120 points, which is what she needs to do to complete her learning journey. Leah knows that to complete Module 1, she will be asked to view content, see conversation prompts to discuss it, be asked to submit a video, and work on a task together with her peers and get feedback. Leah decides to review the content about remote meeting basics to start. Leah watches the video clip about managing remote workers. The video leads to a discussion of similarities and differences between managing individuals remotely versus in person, and Leah sees what some of her fellow participants are saying about this topic. She likes one of the comments and can share her own thoughts. Leah has a meeting to attend. However, while she's waiting for the meeting to start, she makes some more progress on her learning journey. Leah's next task is to practice what she has learned about starting a kickoff call. In this challenge, Leah is asked to upload a video of herself recording an introduction during a kickoff. She sees that others from the program will see her video and be able to give her feedback. She intends to record the video from her phone and upload it. She'll record this video at the end of her workday tomorrow. In the meantime, she's eager to see how others have approached this. She looks at one example. She sees there is some good conversation where people are sharing their reactions and experiences. Now it's a couple of days later, and Leah's, of course, wrapped up in her busy work week. But she receives an email. In her email, as well as here in the system, from her teammate Jim. He has an idea for their team project. Leah decides to go to her team challenge. On the Team Challenge page, Leah can see her team and instructions for their team assignment, including how to submit. Collaborating's easy thanks to a dedicated team workspace where she can communicate and exchange content with her team. Here, Leah is in the private workspace for her team. On the lower right, she sees that they have the team charter as an action item for the team. She catches up on the conversation and sees that they have an upcoming meeting scheduled to get on a web conference and discuss their next steps. She changes her RSVP. The workspace is also a safe area where the team can ask questions and share resources as they try to become better virtual team leaders. Leah is newly energized to work on her team project and knows that her team is relying on her to do her part for them to complete this program. Leah has really gotten to know her team well, and she also got to know other colleagues through this course on NovoEd. Even though this is not an in-person training, she still feels like it is a lively, rich environment with a lot of give and take with her peers and the facilitators. She's also found it very easy to be able to log in and resume her learning from her laptop and mobile device. Now that we've walked through Leah's journey, let me step back and summarize what we've seen. We have seen how a learner like Leah can develop high-value capabilities online through purposeful practice and application, peer feedback, coaching and mentorship, and group collaboration. This scalable collaborative learning activates the deep skill development necessary to improve business performance and drive outcomes.